Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. Today I'll be cutting and trimming an Ebony Black Angus 100-day grain-fed striploin or sirloin. I'll explain a sirloin to you. Every sirloin has a 1-inch gristle strap from top down to the bottom. And I'm going to teach you how to take that out. But first I'm going to trim up this edge so you can see what I'm talking about, the gristle. Have a look here, you can see that gristly bit there, totally different to the fat cover. So that's what I'll be teaching you to take out. And you must take these off every striploin steak. So you grab your knife, place it just under the fat, and you'll feel the gristle. There you go. You take that off, and then here you can see it there. That's what we want to pick up. Pick it up, go along, and you'll feel it with your knife. It's very, very... There you go again. That's what you're going for. And you can see the difference there now. Still a little bit there. So go along again. There you go. Perfect. And we'll do last little bit here. Done. So now you've taken that gristle off, you've just got the meat, which is what you want to cut your perfect steaks. So now come down to this end. We're going to straighten the ends up, which makes it a lot easier cutting your steaks. You can always use this for your fast fry meat. So 2 fingers in, pull, there you go. 2 fingers again, pull, 2 again, and we'll do another 2. Like as I said, it's a lot easier to measure it before you cut it. Down, and one more, and then you can see as it's got none of that gristle on it. And there you go. There's 4 prime sirloins. Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.